With the free SuperNova Whiteboard wizard, you can broadcast your computer screen to blind and low vision users who are using SuperNova. This allows you to share your monitor with your class and make your PowerPoint presentations accessible to low vision students. To connect your computer, you will first need to download the Whiteboard wizard from the Dolphin website. Go to info.yourdolphin.com/whiteboard-wizard and fill in the online form for your free copy. You will be able to download the Whiteboard wizard as many times as you like and onto multiple machines of your choosing. After you have started the installation, you'll be asked to create a password for your machine. This will allow you to grant access to anyone running SuperNova. If you encounter any issues installing the wizard, please contact your local IT support so they can allow access to the third-party VNC software. Once you have installed the wizard, two new shortcut icons will appear on your desktop screen. Double-click the Start Dolphin SuperNova Whiteboard Assistant icon to open the Whiteboard wizard and start broadcasting your computer screen. Here you can find the name of your machine or computer and your chosen password to share to your students. You can also select how long you want to broadcast your computer screen for by choosing from the list of options in the drop-down menu below. Alternatively, you can double-click the Stop Dolphin SuperNova Whiteboard Assistant icon to close the Whiteboard wizard at any time. We hope you enjoy using SuperNova, and remember, if you need help at any time, please visit our website at yourdolphin.com/support.